Hello everybody, thanks for tuning in. Today we're doing a PS5 HDMI port replacement. And as you all know, if anyone who has ever watched before knows, gotta clean it before we could fix it. Much better, much better. Much better. And of course, we must address the liquid metal displacement. Like glass. Alright, let's get this port off and replaced, get these folks back to gaming again. It may get a little loud, you might want to turn down your speaker. Things just got interesting. We're gonna need to do a jumper. But before we do that, we gotta get the replacement port on. And before we do that, gotta replace the old SATA. Take my SATA. There we go. Come on. There's one little stinking. There we go. Alright, let's get this new port on. Things may get a little loud, so you might want to turn down your speakers. Let's dig in. Alright, let's get these posts secured. I gotta turn up the fume extractor. It's again gonna probably get a little loud. Might want to turn down your speakers. Alright, so that's the finished product on that. Let's go ahead and get that jumbo wire on. Alright, and that is the finished product. We gotta put some UV coating on there and then we'll be completely done. Alright, and that's the finished product. Let's go ahead and bolt her up. Alright, we are back in action. Thanks for viewing. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Memberships now available. Store now open. New videos dropped every Sunday. Thanks for watching.